Welcome to Lesson 3 of our WIX video course. As I mentioned at the end of the previous lesson, it's assumed that you have already customized your site based on your preferences, using the tools and features I showed you in the past videos. This is how I've personalized my own site up to this point, but of course every site is unique, and the most important thing is that it reflects your needs, your style, and the goals of your project. In this lesson, we'll take a look at two very interesting and useful tools that can help you enrich your website even further. The WIX App Market, which is essentially a marketplace for third-party apps that integrate with your site, and the My Business section, which gives you access to a variety of tools designed to help you grow your online presence and improve the user experience. So let's start with the app market. We are on the home page of our website, and from the left-hand panel, we open the section called App Market. This gives us access to a wide range of apps that are fully compatible with WIX. Some of them are entirely free, others are free with a premium plan, and they cover a wide variety of functionalities, from e-commerce and marketing tools to customer engagement, booking, maps, and much more. To show you a practical example, I've chosen to install an app called Store Locator and Map. This is particularly useful if your website represents a business with multiple physical locations, or if you simply want to display your shop's location in an interactive way. The app is also available with a free plan, so you can start using it right away without needing to purchase a premium subscription. We click on the app to open its details page. Here we get a full overview with a description, screenshots, key features, and of course reviews from other users. Once we have confirmed it's what we need, we click on Add to Site, then on Agree and Add, and wait a few moments while Wix installs the app into our site. Once the installation is complete, Wix will place a panel corresponding to the app directly on the page. For convenience, I've decided to add a new empty section to the page, and I moved it further down, just above the contact section and before the footer. That's where I'll place the store locator, which I can then adjust however I like. We can resize the element, move it, center it, change its general settings, and of course configure how the map looks and behaves. The settings are specific to each app, so they naturally vary depending on the one you choose. Some apps offer very detailed customization options, while others are more streamlined, but overall Wix allows for a good degree of flexibility. One important thing to note is that we can add multiple apps to the site at the same time. We can test them, combine them, remove the ones we no longer need, and try new ones as we go. Some are completely free, while others will require a premium plan to unlock all the features. My advice is to explore the app market carefully, read through the descriptions, and evaluate what's most useful for your type of website. This section is often underestimated, but it can really make a big difference in terms of interactivity and the services you offer to visitors. Now let's move on to another section in the left-hand panel called My Business. Unlike the Italian version I did of this episode, the English version includes more built-in tools and add-ons directly within the main view. Some of these tools are only available in the Italian version if you manually search for them in the app market. And for example, the Wix blog isn't visible here yet, because at this point I haven't added a blog to this site. The blog section will only appear once a blog has been created. So once you have your blog, you click on Wix blog, then on Write Post, and this opens the blog editor. Right away, you'll notice something new that isn't present in the Italian version: AI-powered features for post creation. Let's give this a try. Under the Create with AI section, I click on Blog Post, and Wix asks what type of post I want to create, based on a topic or a product. I choose topic and enter a brief description of the subject I want to write about. Next, it asks how many words I want the post to be and what kind of tone I'd like to use. I can choose from options like neutral, professional, casual, enthusiastic, or even others. I also get to choose how many images I want to include. Next, it asks how many words I want the post to be and what kind of tone I'd like to use. I can choose from options like neutral, professional, casual, enthusiastic, or even others. I also get to choose how many images I want to include. Then, by clicking on More Preferences, a drop-down menu appears where I can select the type of post, such as a standard article or how to guide, a personal story, or an editorial. I can even set the point of view, whether it should be chosen by the AI or written in the first or second person. Once that's all filled out, Wix suggests a few titles generated by the AI. I'll go ahead and select the last one on the list, and then we just wait a few seconds while Wix generates the content for us. Once the post is ready, we can fully customize it. Change the text, add or remove images, include buttons, video, or any other element we like. When we're happy with the final result, we click Publish in the top right corner, and the post will go live on our site, visible to all our visitors. At this point, we can continue writing new posts, manage and edit the ones we have already published, delete them, organize them into categories, set up the main blog page, customize the layout of individual posts, and even add extra blog-specific components. But the My Business section doesn't stop at the blog. It also includes a variety of tools designed to help boost your website's effectiveness. For instance, you can connect your store to Facebook and sell products there. You can create subscription plans for your clients, offering exclusive content or services. You can generate discount codes, launch promotions, and build customer loyalty with built-in marketing tools. All of this helps turn your website from a simple online showcase into a powerful and active business tool. To sum up, in this lesson we explored how to use the app market to add new features to your site and how to navigate the My Business section to manage dynamic content and growth tools. In the next lesson, we'll continue with more essential settings. We'll talk about SEO, marketing, custom domains, and how to get your site ready for publishing. In the meantime, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated and consider becoming a member if you would like to support us and say thank you. See you in the next lesson.